Hello everyone, I am Sai Jithan. Welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this video, I'll be talking about how you can actually install this TikTok live wallpaper in any Android device. As you can see, friends, so right now I'm using this TikTok wallpaper, and lot of users, so many users, they did ask me this kind of question that how you are downloading this TikTok wallpaper and which application are you using. And in this video, I'll try to explain which application you can try to download and which application to use as well. So make sure to subscribe to my channel, friends, and for more this kind of punch hole wallpapers as well. So if your phone has any kind of punch hole either in the middle or left or right, there's a separate wallpaper application wallpaper for each and every smartphone. I did a video on that particular, friends, and there's a playlist as well, which is a wallpaper playlist. That playlist will be having lot of videos similarly which are present for the different smartphones. You can find so many videos in that particular playlist. And let's get started with this TikTok wallpaper, how you need to download and from where you can get this kind of wallpaper. So first thing is that you need to download this application which is called the live wallpapers, 4K wallpapers, as you can see. So try to look out for this exact icon. As you can see, this is the icon which they are using, and here is a developer HD Pro Walls. As you can see, these are the developers who are developing this particular wallpapers. So right now I'll try to use this particular application which has so many different wallpapers in this application, friends. So let me try to quickly open the wallpaper app, and as soon as you open the wallpaper app, it will take you to this live section. But you do have the different categories here. So a lot of categories and you can select from, but our main focus is only on the TikTok wallpaper. So let's focus only on the TikTok. So you need to go to the live section, and once you're in the live section, you will be getting all the live wallpapers. So here you need to find the TikTok wallpaper. That is the most interesting part, because you cannot there is no search option or there is no nothing at all. You just need to refresh every time if you want to find the TikTok wallpaper. So try to refresh and you will be getting the TikTok wallpaper maybe in the first or second page, but it will take some time to find the TikTok. As I said, as you can see right now, you got the TikTok wallpaper. As soon as you see the TikTok wallpaper, make sure to add as a favorites. The reason is because if you add as a favorite, every time you don't need to just search. So you can just go to this category and you can find the my favorites. So this is how I will be saving all the very good amazing live wallpapers in the smartphones. Even there is a live train wallpaper, as you can see, which is a really good interesting live train wallpaper. So this is how I'll be using, friends. So selecting the live wallpaper and selecting as adding as a favorites, so which will be helping me to keep track of this TikTok wallpaper every time I want to install. So this is how you can install in any Android device, friends, and make sure to subscribe and also like and share these videos with your friends who are interested in this kind of live wallpapers. So definitely also do support me by sharing my videos, by subscribing as well. So thank you for watching this video, friends, and see you in the next video. Until then, bye.